First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:42 this morning, and it is a mess in the eastern U.S. right now. I mean, look at all the areas that are seeing rain. It's a combination of two frontal systems, two areas of low pressure, and that makes for a wet setup. And unfortunately, it's some areas that don't need any more rain. Remember that this is areas that saw flooding last week. Then they had a little period to dry out, and here comes the rain once again. And that's why with the ground already saturated, we are seeing reports of flash flooding in northern Alabama, across Arkansas, even into North Texas, around the Dallas area, Texarkana. And that's going to be an ongoing story. I expect to see more of these flooding reports spreading up to the north as this rain continues today. It's not as bad as the last flooding threat, but again, the ground is so wet that it doesn't take all that much more rain to cause flooding issues. So that's kind of the big national story today. And then tomorrow it's going to transition to a snow threat in the northeast. Meanwhile, for us, not quite as busy. We may see a few showers, but not much. Here was the model at 7 a.m. showing a shower over Hidalgo County. May happen, but there's some models that are dry too. If we're going to see any showers, they're going to be few and far between. If you do get one of those showers work over you, it's going to be very light rain, and it's not going to last long. The last chance for seeing any rain is going to be about 10 a.m. this morning out along the coast. And notice what's happening. Drier air is coming in here, and that's going to be breaking up these low-level clouds. And so by the time we get to 1 p.m., many of us are going to have mostly sunny skies. It's still going to be windy, though. As soon as this front clears us, it's going to get very windy right behind that front, and we're going to have some gusts around 40 miles per hour. But late this afternoon, as that cold front gets farther offshore, the winds are going to die back down. But notice, I think we're going to have clear skies, lots of bright sunshine out there, and not as humid as yesterday, and temperatures are going to be in the low 80s. For tomorrow morning, I think we're going to be in the upper 50s. Clear skies for much of the night, but then becoming partly cloudy early tomorrow morning. But really, tomorrow's looking nice. I think it's still going to be partly cloudy in the early afternoon tomorrow. Maybe by late afternoon, those clouds are going to start moving in from the east. We might have mostly cloudy skies by 5 o'clock, but temperatures are going to be in the upper 70s. It's still going to be low humidity. It's going to be a nice one. Now, late Friday night, early Saturday morning, this is our next rain chance. Looks like scattered showers are going to be moving in. But again, most of Friday is going to be dry. And actually, I think we're going to dry out for Saturday afternoon. So it's not going to be a washout of a day, even on Saturday, even though we're going to have some rain Saturday morning. 83 for our high. So looking at the temperatures, it doesn't seem like that big of a cold front, but it's going to be much drier air. And though it's starting out cloudy, we're going to have sunny skies this afternoon. The chance of rain is pretty small and just very early this morning, but still watch out for those wind gusts. At times are going to be around 40 miles per hour in the late morning, early afternoon, but by late afternoon, those winds are going to be dying down. And then tonight, we're expecting light winds. Clear skies for especially early tonight, but then by late tonight, we're going to see partly cloudy skies. Our temperatures are going to be cooler than they have been in a while. 58 for our low. Believe it or not, that's still a little bit above normal for this time of year. A normal low for us should be 55. So we've been way above normal. We have that 10% chance of rain today, a 20% chance of rain for tomorrow night, late tomorrow night, and then a 40% chance of rain for Saturday morning. But again, drying out for Saturday afternoon. How about Sunday? It looks like Sunday is going to be dry, mostly cloudy. I think we're going to see a little bit more sun than Saturday. That'll allow us to get back into the mid-80s. Looks like the low 80s on Monday, a little bit of a cool down, but the significant cool down is going to be with the next cold front. Now, still some differences in the timing of this cold front. It looks like right now, Tuesday afternoon. So that means upper 70s on Tuesday, a day with scattered showers, cloudy skies. But then drier air comes in behind that cold front, and Wednesday, it looks like another nice one. Low 70s, partly cloudy skies. That'll be something to look forward to. So the temperature roller coaster is still in place a little bit with some ups and downs along the way. But overall, a little bit cooler weather than what we've seen lately.